Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Squarespace form, email notifications, and change form storage. To begin, sign into your Squarespace account and open your site. From the main dashboard, head into the website area so you can work on your pages. In the navigation, open Pages, then choose the page where you want the form to live. In this example, we'll work on the home page, but you can follow the same steps on any page. Enter editing mode for the page. Once the page is editable, add a new content block where you'd like the form to appear. Choose the form block from the block picker. Squarespace will place a basic form on the page with a few default fields. Hover over the new form and open its settings by clicking the small edit or pencil icon. This is where you'll configure what the form collects and where the submissions go. If your form needs different fields, you can adjust them here, but our focus today is on notifications and storage. In the Settings panel, scroll is needed to locate the storage options. Squarespace organizes these settings so you can send form entries via email and also route them to connected services. For email notifications, make sure the email option is enabled in the form's storage settings and that the recipient address is correct. This is the address that will receive a copy of each submission. You can usually set a subject line and confirmation message here as well, which helps with inbox filtering and keeping your responses organized. If you don't see messages arriving, remember to check your spam or promotions folders while you're testing. Next, scroll down to Additional Storage. This is where you can add a service to store entries beyond email. Choose the option to connect Google Drive. When you click Connect, Squarespace will prompt you to authorize access. Follow the prompts, select or create a folder where you want new submissions saved, and confirm. From then on, each form entry will be logged in that folder, typically as a spreadsheet or individual files, depending on your setup. This is especially helpful for teams that collaborate in the cloud or for keeping a clean archive of responses. When you're satisfied with these settings, close the form panel and save your page changes. To finish, submit a quick test entry on the live page to confirm that you received the email and that a record appears in your Connected Drive folder. If anything looks off, return to the form settings and adjust the addresses or connection. That's it. Your form is now set to send email notifications and store submissions in Google Drive.